John Robeson, and I'm here in Enfield with the Bach Collection Ferrari 308 GT4, and we're going to look at the assembly of the rear wheel houses, which we've had to actually make to a large degree from scratch because they were destroyed. Want to show what we've got, Rick?
Yeah, Tim, you can speak to what you had to do on this.
Yeah, just real quickly, this is made up of many pieces here. Just as at a glance, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces here, 5, 6 pieces there, 7 pieces. Actually, me and Jeff collaborated on some of the outside stuff, and
this is all painted black for protection, but
right.
Everything you're looking at is newly fabricated.
And they'll get re-epoxied. The reason they rusted so bad is because this was touching in here with no treatment right up against it. So they'll be retreated, but yeah, it was a little bit of an undertaking. The piece that he has in his hand is the inner, like that, and then they go in as one unit, and they attach to the inner part of the quarter panel.
We tell people that these restorations consume thousands of hours of labor, and you look at the beautiful paint on a finished car, and all you see is the outside. You don't realize that we have to build the foundation, and that's what you're seeing here, and that's where all the work is. The painting of the car is a comparatively quick process.
Is the outside, the old ones are outside?
So we'll just walk around this car, and I'll just show, since the last video on this car, we've completed most of the exterior body work on it. And
John, I'm gonna bring
this is what we started with to recreate. So just take a look here at how these are destroyed by rust. And look at the complex shapes here. This isn't something that you could just fix with plastic filler. Stuff's rotted out, and it's rotted at edges. And so what would you do with this? The choice is you make a looks-only patch with filler, or you totally remake the thing, which is what we've done here. And the only durable repair is to remake it. But it's many, many hours to do this. So here's what we start with, here's what we finish with. And it's really a cool thing to see this process. There, we've got them. So what you're looking at is the original rear inner fender wells of the car and the new fender wells that are about to go back in it. And not only is this important for looks, if you look in the wheel wells, it is also important for structural strength. All of this stuff together, it's all welded together, and this is part of the unibody structure of this car, which is made out of a mixture of steel, aluminum, and fiberglass.